The creation of the Constitution. Today we're going to talk about the Constitution, the history of the Constitution, who were the framers of the Constitution, what is a convention, changes that can be made to the Constitution, what is an amendment, the Bill of Rights, the purpose of the Bill of Rights, and how it all works. What is the Constitution? The Constitution is the highest law in the United States. All other laws come from the Constitution. It tells us how the government really works. It creates the presidency, creates the Congress, creates the Supreme Court, and even though each individual state has its own constitution, the United States Constitution is higher. A little bit of history about the Constitution. The Constitution was written in 1787. So yes, it's over 200 years old. From May to September, a group of men, known as the Framers, talked about what should be in the Constitution. The United States was a brand new country, so the government didn't work as well. This meeting is called a convention. Some of the Framers are famous to us today. Framers include James Madison, Ben Franklin, and George Washington. The Framers had many debates. They talked a lot, made a lot of speeches, and by talking about it, they came up with a plan that everyone could agree with. They had to do a lot of compromise. What is a convention? A convention is a selection from among two or more alternatives, where the rule and the alternative is agreed upon among the people holding the meeting. Changes can be made to the Constitution. The Constitution can be changed. The Constitution is changed by an amendment. Among the amendment is a list of rights by the people. By listing these rights, they are made special. They are called the Bill of Rights. What is an amendment? An amendment to the Constitution is a change that can add to the Constitution or change an older part of it. The Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights was passed because some people were afraid of the government would have too much power. They were afraid that some important things would be made illegal. The Bill of Rights protects a lot of other freedoms. What's the purpose of the Bill of Rights? The Bill of Rights protects a lot of freedoms. For example, you can believe in any religion you want. The government cannot force you to believe in something. You cannot be forced to house soldiers in your home, and the police cannot come into your home without a good reason. The police can't force you to testify against yourself in the court, and the Bill of Rights protects free speech. How it all works. The Constitution sets up the government. It is split into three branches. The first is the legislative, the second is the executive, and the third is the judiciary. Each one has its own role in how the law is made and used. The legislator makes the law. The legislator is called the Congress. It's split into two parts. The first is the House of Representatives, and the second is the Senate. And here is a picture of the Framers, also known as the Founding Fathers of the Constitution, and this is a picture of where the signing took place. And here is an example of the Constitution, and it was all handwritten in cursive.